Hey everyone, Sherilyn here with eXp. I just wanted to quickly share with everybody my real estate background and why I chose to be with eXp. So in 2001, my husband and I bought our first primary residence in Southern California. And after about 5 years, we decided to sell it and we doubled our money. And so we took that money and we invested in some investment properties in Park City, Utah and in Las Vegas, Nevada. And 2 years later, in 2008, after we bought those investment properties, the economic crash happened. So we had to sell those properties. And those properties ranged from condos, condo hotels, and single family residences. So after the economic crash, we were able to either have three things happen. Either we made a little bit of money, we cut even, or we lost money, or we foreclosed. So after that, we switched gears, and in 2010, we moved to Tennessee, where my husband became active military at Fort Campbell. And we decided that we were tired of having mortgages, we were tired of having the stress of properties. So we had taken the cash that we saved from the selling of all those properties, and we decided to buy a foreclosure. And so we fixed up a foreclosure, and we were able to, again, put some money into it and sell it a few years later, and it turned out for a good profit. And we did this several more times. So in the past 2 decades, since 2001, we have bought, sold, fixed up, and rented out or lived in over 40 different units and properties. And so I've actually had my realtor's license in 3 different states for a total of 7 years. And I've been with 3 other brokerages before I chose eXp. So I've been around, and I've had lots of good experience at all of those brokerages. They're what I needed for the time being. And things were, and so now, I'm just in a different level in my life. And so I decided to choose eXp for a few things. One, I'm obviously a solopreneur. I have the entrepreneur mentality. I'm not just a realtor, I'm also a real estate investor. And so I've read the books from Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and Cash Flow. And from that, I learned how to be able to focus on companies that are innovative and that are changing with the times and that are learning the tips and tricks of the trade. And so eXp is wonderful. It's able to teach me all that stuff. The reason why I chose eXp, because after 7 years of helping buyers and sellers, which I love, I've been love educating them. I'm a teacher at heart. I decided, you know what? It's a grind, it's a hustle, and I wanted to be able to slow down, focus more on family, and I wanted to go back to teaching. And so this time I decided to do teaching for realtors and mentoring them and coaching them. So I'm a teacher at heart, and last year, actually, before I even knew about eXp, I decided to create some digital products for realtors to teach them all of my tips of the trade of how to help their clients sell at top dollar and buy with instant equity. And so I've created these digital products, and I loved it. It was a lot of work. It's a lot of work to be able to actually sell them and promote them. And so I finally heard about eXp a few months ago, and they taught me how to get residual income, how to keep 100% of my commission, and how to have agent ownership, and how to earn an additional, $30,000 to $50,000 a year minimum without helping any extra buyers or sellers. So all of those things help me have a retirement program. It helps me have less stress, helps me earn residual income, and it allows me to have more freedom and be able to travel. Plus, they're a worldwide company. And so I'm really excited to be able to grow my team with eXp, to be able to teach them, to be able to teach realtors what I know and share with them the products that I've created, which I'm now just giving away for free because it's more beneficial for these agents to get these products and to be able to learn from it and have me, sponsor them or mentor them as a result. So that is why I chose eXp. It's an innovative company, just like Netflix and Amazon. The brick and mortars are going away, especially after COVID. And I'm just really grateful to be able to have this company that is agent focused, allows me to have agent ownership, and it allows me to have the great technology and software that which we so badly need in our industry, plus over 50 hours of live training per week on how to do every type of real estate, including social media and how to brand yourself. So if you're interested in finding out more, please click on the link below and schedule a Calendly appointment with me. And I hope to hear from you soon. Have a blessed day.